Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Soul Sync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into some seriously underrated spicy things girls do that drive guys crazy. Now, I'm not just talking about the obvious stuff like wearing a cute outfit or having a nice smile. Nope, this is about those subtle, almost effortless moves that have guys low-key obsessed without even realizing why. So, let's get into the spicy things girls do that guys secretly find incredibly attractive. 1. Biting your lip without trying too hard. Okay, let's start with the classic but deadly move, biting your lip. Now, I'm not saying to force it and do it every 5 seconds, but when it happens naturally, maybe when you're thinking, laughing, or playfully teasing him, it's game over. It's one of those small, subconscious gestures that instantly makes a girl look sexy and confident without even trying. It gives off a flirty, teasing vibe, and trust me, guys notice it immediately. 2. The over-the-shoulder look. You know when you're walking away and then turn your head just slightly to look back at him? Yeah, that move? It's dangerous. There's something about a girl looking back with that subtle smirk or playful eyes that makes a guy's heart skip a beat. It creates this feeling of mystery, confidence, and flirtation all at once. It's like a non-verbal way of saying, yeah, I know you're watching. And honestly, he is watching. Adjusting your hair in a certain way. It's not just playing with your hair, it's the way you do it. Guys love it when a girl tucks her hair behind her ear while maintaining eye contact, flips her hair to one side casually while talking, pulls her hair up into a ponytail in a quick, effortless way. It's feminine, playful, and subtly spicy, and it just has this way of drawing a guy's attention instantly. 4. Walking with confidence and a little hip movement. Listen, confidence is attractive, but when a girl walks with purpose, shoulders back, head up, and just a hint of natural hip movement, it's next level. It's not about exaggerating anything, it's just about owning the space you walk in. It gives off big main character energy, and guys can't help but be drawn to it. Bonus points if you're wearing heels or boots that make a little noise when you walk. That sound alone turns heads. 5. The teasing, flirty eye contact. Eye contact is powerful, but playful, teasing eye contact? That's where the magic happens. When a girl locks eyes for a second, then looks away with a smile, holds eye contact just long enough to make it intense, then breaks it, glances at his lips while he's talking. It's spicy, flirty, and drives guys crazy because it's like a silent invitation to chase. And trust me, they love the chase. 6 subtle touches that feel intentional. Guys don't always remember everything you say, but they'll remember how you made them feel. And one of the biggest ways to create instant chemistry? Subtle, unexpected touches. Like when you gently touch his arm when laughing at his joke. Fix something on his shirt or collar. Brush past him in a way that lingers just a second too long. These little touches might seem small, but to a guy, it's everything. It makes them feel noticed, wanted, and intrigued. Lowering your voice when talking to him. This is something most girls don't even realize they do. But when a girl's voice gets a little softer, slightly deeper when talking to a guy, it instantly creates a vibe. It's subtle, intimate, and ridiculously attractive. When a girl leans in slightly and speaks in that softer, slower tone, it makes a guy feel like she's talking just to him. And that feeling? Completely unforgettable. 8. Being playfully competitive. There's something insanely attractive about a girl who can be playfully competitive with a guy. Whether it's challenging him in a game, video games, pool, cards, etc., teasing him about being better at something, betting on who can do something faster or better. It creates fun, playful tension, and guys absolutely love when a girl can match their energy without taking things too seriously. Plus, if you throw in a winner gets a prize type of tease, you're winning the entire game. 9. Using his name in a flirty way. Hearing your name from someone you're attracted to just hits differently, right? For guys, it's the same thing. But even more when a girl uses their name in a flirty, teasing, or slightly playful way. Like saying his name softly while making eye contact, dragging it out just a little bit in a teasing tone. Casually dropping it in conversation in a way that feels intentional. It makes things feel personal, intimate, and memorable. So, there you have it. 9 spicy things girls do that drive guys absolutely wild. What's crazy is that most of these things aren't even intentional. They just happen naturally, and that's what makes them so attractive. So, which of these have you caught yourself doing? And which one do you think works the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. I'll see you in the next one.